Affiliate Marketing Unveiled, Step-by-Step Guide to Online Profits. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of affiliate marketing, guiding you through the steps to online profits. Introduction to Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular online business model that allows individuals and businesses to earn commissions by promoting products or services offered by other companies. It's a performance-based marketing strategy where affiliates, publishers, promote products or services through various online channels and earn a commission for every sale, lead, or action generated through their efforts. The key players in affiliate marketing include advertisers, companies with products, services, affiliates, publishers, and consumers. Step 1. Choosing your niche. The first step in affiliate marketing is selecting a niche. A niche is a specific topic or area of interest that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It's crucial to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise because you'll be creating content and promoting products related to that niche. Step 2. Research and select affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, research affiliate programs that offer products or services within your chosen niche. There are various affiliate networks, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASL, and more, that connect affiliates with advertisers. Look for programs that offer competitive commissions, quality products, services, and good tracking and reporting tools. Step 3. Build your online presence. In Step 3, you'll embark on the crucial journey of building your online presence. This step is the foundation upon which your affiliate marketing success will rest. Begin by selecting a platform that aligns with your niche and audience, whether it's a blog, website, social media profiles, or a combination of these. Craft a visually appealing and user-friendly design that reflects your brand's identity. Next, populate your chosen platform with engaging and informative content that resonates with your target audience. Consistency is key. Regularly update your content to keep your audience engaged and returning for more. As you establish your online presence, focus on building a community by actively engaging with your audience through comments, social media interactions, and email newsletters. A strong online presence will not only attract more visitors, but also enhance your credibility as an affiliate marketer. Step 4. Create valuable content. In affiliate marketing, content reigns supreme as it serves as the cornerstone of your strategy. To thrive, it's imperative to craft content that is not only high in quality, but also informative and engaging. Your content should be a solution to the needs and interests of your target audience. This can manifest in various formats, such as in-depth blog posts, comprehensive product reviews, instructive video tutorials, captivating social media posts, and more. The ultimate aim is to provide genuine value to your audience, offering them insights, solutions, or entertainment that resonates within your niche. By consistently delivering exceptional content, you can position yourself as a trusted source of information, building a loyal following that is more likely to engage with your affiliate promotions and contribute to your online success. Step 5. Drive traffic to your content. Generating traffic is pivotal for affiliate marketing triumph. To ensure success, employ diverse strategies to attract both organic and paid traffic. Search engine optimization, SEO, enhances content visibility in search results, driving organic traffic. Social media marketing leverages platforms like Facebook and Twitter to engage your audience and promote content effectively. Email marketing builds relationships with subscribers, encouraging exploration of affiliate recommendations. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC, targets keywords and demographics, rapidly channeling traffic. Employing this mix amplifies your reach, elevating conversion rates, and advancing your affiliate marketing journey. Step 6. Promote affiliate products. Incorporating affiliate links into your content is a pivotal aspect of successful affiliate marketing. It's essential to do so strategically, ensuring that the products or services align with your audience's interests and needs. However, transparency is paramount in this process. Honest and open communication about your affiliate relationships fosters trust with your audience. Clearly disclose your affiliations and inform your readers or viewers that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase through your links. To optimize conversions, employ compelling calls to action, CTAs, that resonate with your audience's desires and pain points. Craft CTAs that not only entice clicks, but also provide added value or benefits, making it more likely for your audience to take action and ultimately drive affiliate sales. Step 7. Track and optimize. Affiliate programs typically offer robust tracking tools, enabling you to closely monitor your performance. These insights are invaluable as they empower you to make data-driven decisions. Dive into the data to discern which products, content, and promotional strategies are delivering the most favorable outcomes. Identify high-converting products and content, then leverage this knowledge to focus your efforts on what works best. However, the world of affiliate marketing is dynamic, and what works today may not tomorrow. Therefore, perpetual optimization is crucial. Continuously refine your content to meet your audience's evolving needs. Explore different marketing channels to diversify your reach. And don't be afraid to venture into new affiliate programs to expand your revenue streams. By consistently fine-tuning your approach based on data insights, you can maximize your affiliate marketing success. Step 8. Scale your efforts. As you gain experience and see positive results, consider scaling your affiliate marketing efforts. This may involve creating more content, expanding into new niches, or diversifying your affiliate partnerships. Scaling can lead to increased profits and a more substantial online presence. Conclusion. In conclusion, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative online business model when done right. It requires careful niche selection, a strong online presence, valuable content creation, effective promotion, and ongoing optimization. By following these steps and staying committed to your affiliate marketing efforts, you can gradually build a sustainable source of online income. Remember that success in affiliate marketing takes time and persistence, but the potential for online profits is significant for those who invest in it wisely. If you found our videos valuable, please consider sharing, subscribing, and giving us a thumbs up to help our channel grow. Thank you.